What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to Meet tab, and here at Meet tab what you want to click on is schedule a meeting. Now we can schedule a meeting, so we can add a title to it, meeting for example. We can add people, we can add the start hour and the end hour, or you can say all day. We can repeat if we want this schedule, for example, every day or weekly, or don't repeat, and add a location. And also you can add a description of our meeting. So then we are gonna save, and now the meeting is created. This was the tutorial guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.